What if you suffered a huge data loss right now? With Gearset, you don't have to worry. We'll protect your Salesforce data and metadata from unexpected changes or incidents with our secure backup solution. Schedule automated daily or hourly backups for complete protection of your Salesforce data, whatever your org size. Gearset notifies you of any unusual activity in your orgs, giving you time to react quickly when something goes wrong. Because we understand Salesforce data, it makes restoring changes simple. Choose the type of restore you want, and Gearset will quickly restore the changes to your org, including any profiles and permissions. As a third-party backup solution, your data is completely safe, even if Salesforce suffers an outage. Could you salvage your orgs right now if disaster were to strike? Well, with Gearset, you can. See for yourself today